Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to make a welcome sign for my front porch. And of course, you can use whatever colors you want to use, whatever paint you want to use. I'm going to use Waverly chalk paint, and I didn't have the color of gray that I wanted for my sign, so I'm just going to mix black and white till I get the desired color. And I've got the color gray that I want, so I'm just going to paint my board. So I'm all done with my sign, and I pretty much just bought this board at Home Depot. It was about $18 with tax, and that's because I bought a really large board. You can buy smaller ones, thinner ones, whatever you want. I wanted a big welcome sign for my porch, so that's why I went with this board here. I used chalk paint to paint it, went into Cricut Design Space, cut out the word welcome, transferred everything over, and sprayed it all down with clear coat. And that's my welcome sign. And I have seen signs like this at places like Hobby Lobby and Kirkland's for about $60, and I knew I could make one myself for a lot cheaper, and that's what I did. And that's gonna end my video. Thanks for watching.